welcome back to my channel. This is your fab friend Jacky Navarro. So this is an unboxing video. My lovey bought me a e-scooter for my birthday, which is on August, so it's an advanced birthday gift. So I will show you this little baby right here. So let's go ahead and go to the video. Oh my gosh, it's so big. How can I carry this inside? Let's go! Ay, putik. It's so heavy. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Wires. Oh, handle. Some tools and charger. Didn't realize that it was this big, like, so the wheel is, I think this is 8.5 inches, so look how big it is. This one is the heavy part. This is where you lock it and unlock it. So you just have to pull this down. Oh, it has a bell. Okay. There. You have to push it really hard. Okay, and down here is the stand. So this one has manual brake at the back, and it also has the handbrake. So let's go on the front side of the scooter. So you can see here the LCD thingy, so we're gonna open that later, but first here you will see like a button, so you just have to press it up. So you can press it down and then press it up to open the battery inside. So this is the replaceable battery. So now this is gonna be hard because I'm just doing it all by myself. So you just have to push this down and twist it, and you will see the battery inside, which is heavy. So that's the battery. You just have to pull it harder upwards. So there. So you can change it. So there you go. Anyway, you can also charge the battery alone. So this is the charging port. There. This one. User manual. Do not ride when it rains. OMG. Maximum of 100 kilograms. Here it is, fab friends. So we are going to try it now. So first, let me just show you how to start it. So you just have to press this within 2 seconds. Wow. There, and then this is you just have to press this 2 times to open the headlight and the tail light. Is it? Yes, there. It's already open. And then press it twice to turn it off. Now it's gone. So let's open it so you could see the tail light. There, it's open. and then it's off. When you are starting to roll it, you would already see like how many kilometer per hour. And then if you would like to accelerate, you just have to press this downwards. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that today. Something to hang on our keys. So let's go. Very humid day outside. It's very hot, but we're still gonna vlog this one because you know, so I'll just put this there. That's how you do it. It's very easy and super fun, and I don't have to walk going to school, so I so love this, except the stand because it's not working at all. But so far so good, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy this mini unboxing e-scooter. So I will see you again. Bye.